Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying all parts and hardware so you won't stop mid-build. This prevents misalignments and delays. Lay out the headboard, footboard, side rails, and slats in assembly order and place fasteners in small containers. Once done, measure mattress footprint and set protective pads under feet to avoid scratches. Start by attaching bracket plates to the headboard with the provided bolts. Tighten finger snug first, because final torque will be applied after alignment. You now join the side rails to the headboard and footboard, aligning holes then inserting bolts loosely so you can adjust fit. This prevents cross-threading. Next, position the center support beam, fasten its legs, and confirm it's straight. This distributes weight and prevents sag over time. Then place slats or the platform decking, spacing them evenly about 3-5 cm to allow airflow. Once everything sits square, return to each bolt and torque them firmly, but not over-tighten to preserve. You finish by adding the mattress and giving the frame a firm press and gentle rock to detect movement. This reveals loose or misaligned connections. If you hear squeaks, tighten bolts incrementally and retest to avoid overstressing hardware. For persistent looseness, apply a small amount of removable thread locker to the bolt threads and reassemble. This prevents recurring backing out. If parts are crooked, loosen neighboring bolts, realign the assembly squarely, then red-iron in a crisscross pattern to hold proper geometry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.